abokoro isebole na konye changa cha KMTC egatiyo bokoreri bonde ubunge niko bagutuka asamagacho abaraka building imeyumucho Kisii ayu ali angini supermarket ya Shifling ugose nabo owakira Ruth Esimi wetrasi namba 0720398360 Peak Uniform and Sports Center.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Charagire Chinsa Isato chiabona botuko mwancho muri gerere bugata seni Ndizi TV asende no semblea no gereta kabo kwego kya nemerobelio autogena tokaboto kwariganeria ime Ndizi TV gati abo murobelio Bumo itongo yo nyalire koba gukuru asembe aserchide ikachinge chenyalire koba chigo itekerengeke no mwancho murigeria gia ensabune no kwene kyabuna tonyera koba to kumanya mange nyalire koba gagwataka kurubwaga kietena mange to kwaliganete SMS itu ya maya kolere litangane pi to yanyora senchere yo benge
elimu ambao wakulima wetu na wachikadau wa mumea watapatiwa
igati y'abalemi kurwase county ya Kisii kwenyorera maigerigore y'Chinsa abaranyareko bakoimokie kerengo kerigesa ly'Echinyeni.
I only want to ask the government of Kenya, and I'm repeating this time and again during retirements of our teachers. Let the government prepare the pensions for the retired teachers in advance.
Serikali kuburiwa kuwarigania chibesa chie pension go chia saboro kia chinga kibarure ya sobokoreri.
We have a lot of confidence with our members of county assembly. We want to ask them to embrace the entry of the governor, and they should work together as a team.
Umugavana gwe county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza konganya go chiase ekiama kya UDA. Ayo manayanda amango manchomo ligereliango kwa liganyo nyala kobo gusanga amona intenyera bagigo nabo ko yabwato gwetera century ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital wetera YouTube Ndizi TV News nabo igo wetera se website ya www.ndizitv.net. Lydia Mose nero konekia buna agochere wetera somuno bimanyirio chinga kitoko patana munere Petra mukira konekia buna chivicha munere kichagocera century yobo ikereliterana kwa Josephat Amisi kwa ligania nyara ko batoko sanga munaye kurumo chakana wikira omwelio Amayia Chinsa Isato litkulia Jumatano mwancho moligeria nikotoko ya chaka kurwase county ya Kisii anenensemo ya abalemi ba ekemeliye chinye ni chire chekenye chigati yabo Chinsaga munelinogu banyara ko bakwenyorera obosemya na obomanyi igore Chinchira ao banyara ko bakwenekia buna banyara ko bakwemukia kerengo kelige somorobulyo yo nigonyara ko bagokora wa munekiombe keligia kaliro nabo kiombe kelikia yuse idomorobulyo boigo nyara ko bakorekana se omobogani oyomo imeya omoche obosongo bagokwana nigo ababwata nibo moyega oyibanyara ko bakolie chiranga mbachiko bakwenekia banyara ko bagosira balemya boherinde banyara ko bakwenyorera echiro nonye iskoyense ya Kenya buno muri kyoto Mildred mumanyi hagotorero roboti rwa Chinsa yobaikirano
abaremi bekemeliye chingeni chekenyeji buna Chinsaga linagu egati ye chinde ime county ya Kisii bono ni gobalene kyo bakogokera maiga yokonyora obosemya buna barachi commentary gesa na konyora echiro kurwa ase kiombe gya kaliro gose Kenya Agriculture and Livestock Research Organization kubako bwatana nebyombe binde buna USAID University of California Davis Horticulture Innovation Lab egati ye binde ebinge ase bono batabire nigo bategereire egati emechando elia abaremi bagwetera asoboremio obwo na igomba chikobanyorera lichibu.
This is a 3.3 years and 5 months project that will be implemented in this county, and majorly this is a research for development project, and with the main goal of increasing productivity.
Huu mradi utaangalia shida ambazo wakulima wetu wanakumbatana nazo, shida ya mbegu ambaye imethibitishwa na ile ambaye mazao yake iko juu. Hii mradi itaangalia ili wakulima wetu waweze kupata hiyo mbegu, na pia kuna elimu ambao wakulima wetu na washikadau wa mmea watapatiwa.
Omoteneneri korwa ase sector y'oburemi ime county ya Kisii ni gatebire gwetera obosemi obo abaremi banyorire mbachikone kiabuna chingeni ngo cha gusimekwa chire ase obonge.
Kiangalia kwa wakati huu ile ekari ambaye tumepanda mboga ya asilia ni ekari 1800, kulima hasa wale wanaikuza kwa kibiashara. Kutokea kwa hii mradi tungependa kuinua ile sehemu ambayo imepandwa ama kupanua sehemu ambayo imepandwa hii mboga ifikie zaidi ya 3000. Tarajio letu ya kwamba hii kilimo itainuka na iendelee kusaidia wakulima wetu.
Nigo baina kiabuna mbachikorentera abaremi chimbego cyo gusimeka chingia na boigo okubaigeria gutumeka amariogo atabwatibo bibonde bwensi asemebere ya mwanyabanto ase okomenta obosombi bwechingeni gochiase chinse chaisiko.
Target the global markets from the lesson land within the project, so also will target the export pillar, and of course reduction of imports or pillar as we increase our productivity in the county, which supplies majorly the urban centers. Also in terms of post-harvest loss management, we do lose 40 to 50% of the production. We shall be capacity building the farmers on biopesticides.
Egati yabaremi nigo bagokera omorobereyo asebagania eserikali ye county ya Kisii uchakoba konya elikoene kiabuna oboremi bwechingeni bwabeire obwengencho enene.
Nyeni echi asira lakini bona kero chiachire chitokonye tochenchi afya ya itebe ngi ya marwaira achirara amange, lakini kero torari chinyeni echi chingiya iko chiragendere gotoruseria marwaira ari togendere komenya buya litangane kero twarire cheisanire tonie chitokonye ase gokonya abana baito basome na ase okoria
chinyoni nchibwate faida serikali yaitu ya Kisii County wetera ase omogambi yoito ona lepo simba arati oretire project yenene egotokonya nga tosimeke chinyeni toirane mogondo tonyore chibesa tonyore okorikwe kiagere meremo yakeire.
Na ninaomba serikali yetu ya county na national government itusaidie ile vitu ambaye itasupply hiyo mboga kutoka kwa msituni huku ekuja kwa oboroso vegetable.
Ripoti ya Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ile Italiane Mildred Momanyi.
Miamono mariki oito Mildred Momanyi asoroboti urwa senchirebo ikirondoligeria sekta ye chisemi skuru yoboroso ya Kenya binge ngati ye chiskuru che serikali chenyarakoba chigo kora matemu aye buya matemikirasi ya 5 mwaka uri nyarete koba gogo etaselitikolia lero ni gobo tenirwe skuru yo kubwatira mona babwatani ao ve sekta ye chisemi banyarakoba bakwarigania litukolie chisemi lyanyarakoba ligo kolekana se skuru eyo hasebo igo aborokiwa bali banyatokoba gokora ya banyarakoba bakwenyorera ebiegwa ao nigo mwalimu omonene bweskuru yanyarakoba gagotogia abaiboli na boigo ababwatani begiseme banyarakoba bakwenekebona machibu hayanyarakoba gagwikirani bunga gutomanya umurikyo itonde Steven.
Eskuru yoborosa ya Kenya binge ensemo yege sakisi ngati ya chiskuru chialigeti machibu ama ya KCPE asa machibu yo mwaka eta aseba mente korwe minsko ya max timibere 51 na 5 goika chimisa 15. Rero nigo batoro muyiga bwoko mubakanya sai asa machibu yugwetere misa litikola ikiranwa ne body ya skuru amona aba bisabe chisemi.
Want to appreciate this day that we've come here for the purpose of celebrating KCP result and KIPSA results of last year 2023, and also to launch the money and the projects that we were given by the Ministry of Education for KPL, and we are appreciating that with the cooperation from both parents and the community, our children are going to benefit from the project.
Ase rituko ria rero twabwate misa yugo agrinya sana mbia mano asa matokeo twakore 2023 KCP asogeta machibu amarungi tukabreak record ase county ase school chairman ta max ya mangabisa tuata max 48 point ajitwa mentete igore riange nesere tubwate ga school abaibu na bana abaibu ne board twaja guserekea na ndi twa Nyasaye na mbia mnata konyu mwako uyo ni myaka ya mutwe egere tugendere komenta maxi school etegende kumanyikana na anda abana benda school tijitikana iko kana school chinene
Goikase yaikire eskuru ya Kenya bingere serikali niwe yaereire buna obwarobo gwetero kubwaterana kwa balimu amuno gusirwa ne serikali
eskuru yetu ra balimu 30 na balimu abeto korega asho bwamo teamwork ikagera tukamenta max na ndese myaka ya maega eskuru ya renge sake nendu tukateta koromo kabisa na teamwork egere nento jese mabu ya Gusii na Kenya bingene ne rororo igoso kubata na balimu na baiboli ekiagerete esukuru ya mentira max ya mangega
abalimu baito tugendere kubwaterana muna twakabwateranire na baiboli boigo na abana bono bamentire babeira abange mechando nturanza konyerora ikiagera abana baito na bayabale discipline nero na abalimu na abomuki igo we are on track itogosabana tugenderere igo
nonye aboroki waba kugenda seruse omotimo ko motambe abaiboli nigo babori ko balenda abana babo batire goya mono bebe chisemi
eruse entambe togochikoenda yechi wikinya twasemiri abana baito twabaire gasi bagochikokoranka ande togosaba abaiboli banyare gotokonya na abana bamba arunga bakonya gwete binyoro ikiagera ense yabono teli nsendonge there are a lot of drugs kidnapping abana baiseka not safe abana bamura not safe so toko baboli na abana babanyare ko babako babekanka babaega sinka igo muna baiboli kibainyorete nanto baete gasimuna balimu yabagendrete konya kokoranka na kosoma elinde kato koigora onyora abana bambaleba na barabuna abanafunzi
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV korwenseme ya Kenya binge kutoka se ward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South elietaliane Ndemo Steven
Pemono morikio itondemo Steven asoroboti urwa senchere boikiranu moyega obuno yobo igumwancho morigereria ligonyara kabo korekana se skuru ya Amasege seboiga babwatani ao bakora wo muno mwalimu omonene bwa skuru yo anyara kobaga ko arigania umoyega oyobo kwena ne biegwa gukia se abana bali banyara kobaga gukora amatemu na gweta amatemu amanene ye kirasi ya 12
Twatali tukolina nile kuchengera mangana ya masomo se school education day na ko abali bakora buya mwaka weta kisawadi na ndengo tebanga abana bakire kirusa bono ya bakire rusa kigwikisa to kire mutu mbabe na baiboli na bali bako balenda sinka na ale batebanga abana bali muno moko genda ka mwibwate buya mwirende buya umanyanga ningo mugutara ko mugubo ikire nkaria na baiboli mwireli bagali na mukwana abana baino muba chisemi ngakibabone komenya ikaraba kire nkabu tikara nyora abana nande bera ne skuru na ba bantu aba baina bali buya nande bera nuna bali buya bo sipia sabana baitu baika ba Gusii andonzi kimole mwachire nkabu ebugate buya manyango bugima bwa mambi no bweino na ende njerera agara mu bukero simuja komenya buya moto obosoku no komenya buya na kwirenda na alia ranyara ko gosarjo bugima bwao ayibunu mwanafunzi.
Allow me thank our parents abayibuli mbuya bana soko bwati si sukuru wenye kenengi arenga lakini bono moro chio terera omonto na toteba nga nyasago seni manerta ko maseni ekiagera okoriri ngana liatigaira na bali munga mubwati sino bana abamaye babito kibarenga abamaye babungo
boy child principal umeona kuna kijana amekuja huku at the competition iko kwa wasichana sana boy child jameni simfanye ile kitu.
Togotigana na oroboti oronigo abaiburi banyareko bakoborigwa banyareko bakwena noburendi bwabene na kwenekya buna banyareko bagosira abana babo chingaki ekibono banyareko bawikirana chingaki abasomutimuko bwetamu entanga ni maiga yabarabu kogendera ko bagosie ka chiskurani gakwanwa litkolera nababwatani abe chisemiyorogongo Gusii seboigo banyareko bakoboria serikali nyareko bekomenta ekerengo kia enibo eyo egenderere ko bekobwata kucha chiskuru bunenchira ya moyo kwenekya buna imirobelia botamba se chiskuru yanyare ko bage gosirwa senchira yobo ikero chinga kichicho nigaba bwatane obo banyare ko bakoboria serikali nyare ko bwikwarigania se obwamo anene enibo gose chibesa chiria chia pension chichiko bwato ko botambe gocha saba koli emeremo be serikali gatia baborokia banyare ko bagotenena gose bagotiga emeremo kana kogenda se omo timoko omorikyo ito nigo anyara ko bagwikirana sensemeli Frida kerubona gotwarigirira roboti rokobatia.
So wherever you come, I wish you well to continue from where I'm leaving this honor. Very, very happy and satisfied. I'm not complaining and nobody's complaining.
Aya naro aenikigwa ansomo yagabo kumwarigania kogenda nka morokio manene bweskuru ya mariba DOK Christopher Mausa magigayo bokoreri bwaye ase myaka 35 nebere okwana chinga kyecho nigo bagokera obokoreri bwaye na kumuganiria Amayia chinga kyarabenka asikolende babolia oliorabe gakwireri bagaliaye okora emirime meikirano ubuna Mausa.
Mwalimu Mausa ambaye amemaliza kazi kwa umri wa kustaafu 60 years. It is not easy to retire.
Igo na bana aba gokire kweli gekogara mwalimu obo o retire o chire, and we are praying that they get a very good principal like Mr. Mausa, who is going to take them through like what Mr. Mausa has been doing.
Kolende chinga kiechi aborokigwa abairanirenka ansomotimoko nigo abaiboli baboligwa kobalenda na kobaigelia chimbwa chingia na kobasira asekelia baraganie boigo abagambi amona batuleti nigo baboligwa koba maiso elio koeneke buna abana babomba ligotoka asobosalia
nigo abaiboli baboliwe baika banange babae semi babae guidance endelio banyare koba bana boronge batumie likize yege rusebia asengenje nande yo kuyagendereria kimasomo babasbi aba chief n'abatureti nabo babodiwe batware liso dioge kurigeri ngiye bana bagenderera bayibori banyare kurwa ibintu byonse biganirie basapoti abana biya
serikali nigo yaboligwa korobelia chibesa cha pension kendabu magega yaboro kyakogenda asomotimoko.
I only want to ask the government of Kenya, and I'm repeating this time and again during retirement of our teachers. Let the government prepare the pensions for the retired teachers in advance. Let them not wait for more than 2 years, 3 years before they get that pension. That is being unfair because they were aware that Mr. Mose, a year ago, they gave him the notice of retirement. So they could have started preparing his retirement, and as he's exiting today, he should be going home with that package of the pension.
Asensemende nige serikali yaboligwa kubwatuka chibesa gocha ase chiskuru linda koenekia obokoreri obuyam.
In fact, we are very grateful in our Kisii County. Things are going on very well, but I want to watch our government, whereby we have been having a problem of capitation. Now that we have heard that some money is being dispersed, we are very grateful, and we want to watch the government to see to it that they dispatch the money in time, so that the teachers are able to pay all the programs of the school in time.
Nonya nabo nigo abana ba Mausa bagokera obokoreri bwise na kumuganiria Amayia chingaki arabe asomutimoko.
Okire sana nabe omuntu wakambi yamara sana bosi
tukabwaterana na barakwene kipna kirege kuteli kolia ya kanyare bakore kana sobetirana bego nigo na maganiria mayanyari nisanyari ko senya nyari ko barakwendera ko mena pia ono na chire kapuna bago tukabwaterana mama bantu bakolinda omochobo onyara ko bago gutumira bego ko
amangana maya chemani bujole amangana maya karabeka gasaku fore kisambu amangana maya abirita ya medi ya moti mbuya more amangana.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Mbiamono muliki oito Frida Keruba soroboti rwa senchira yobo ikiranu meye constituency ya Kitutu chache South nigo muchumbe we constituency eyo Anthony Kibagende nyarakobaga kora omurobrio bogo chaka koena na chi basari go chiase aboro kigwa banyarete koba bakwelikia amono murobrio yo niga nyarakobaga gutarira chi skuru ao ase ebunge yaye ase we nyarakoba gakorie irangana chikobaga kwenekia go sobisiani chikobe kwenekia bunanyare koba ge kubwato kachivesa echo eliogosira ekerengo gie chisemi ase chiskuru nigo constituency yo mwancho muligire ya Nyarakoba kwenyorera shilingi chimilioni 50 na mecho chira chikoba chikoena nwa gochia ase aboro kiwa nigo Kibagende boigo atebangara chikoba koena na chicheki echo erebene ase nchira eyemo kwene kibuno Nyarakoba kotuba emegu eria ya obukurumi obubara chikoba kwene kiwanene chinga kicho kwena na chibaseri chubra tomanyo mulikyo ito dipon asanya.
Francis Aolo Omae. Biamono sana. Asante na ngabe.
Asetaro iyo mujumbe okitutu chache South mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi nigo rero anyara gucioria omurubirio bwokwerera jibasari gocha saborokiwa amona baiboli.
Rere twachake process yo kuruchi basari ase abana inchi baito e basari style tokorwa bokitutu chache South etokwa every individual echeki yaye iyo toko kora igerinde to reduce oboibi to reduce egento gekoro ku errors chirichigo chachiaba pengine se school osase committee ekerekolika chicheki kwanyora Chinsa chinde barikira abande batayo oseririe goike school kwanyora umwalimu gose baza terikolikera abande bali bare ase list ige round yeye elinde topunguze eliogi etwachagete kurukero monto bayo cheki yae
gutarira ebituo aho gati ya bonye bururu raganga na Mosocho St Patrick's nigo anyara kwenekia obwasioku bwo kwenyorera chibasari goika ebinyoro ime
tuatemere goika bantange kabisa elinde abantu banyare konyora chicheki cyabo in good time buna abana bakoigora second term abana bagende ne chicheki school na bali chi university ne college chicheki cyabo no twarosiri na bakonyara gochinyora elinde bachaka matemu next week tokwira neria abana inchi mbiamo na sengenjo na baropare korra maskani bachire bia elinde toche kokore exercise yekama
unenchera ya moyogo sira chisemi imeye binyoro ni gabe kemirobilie biya uchiasa barokiwa bonsi beligeta somurobilie yo korwa se secondary goikachi university konyora chivesa wanchereria gota yo anene mono asokunyora abana chintakana
allocation ebuna tuakora abana chintakana etu abakanera full scholarship chintakana etu abakanera chivesa chonsi and then bali chi day school chira around this area etu abasiringi chiri busatu asengencho mwako mugima school fees igere around 11,000 gotu aruchiri busatu umugavana nere through mo MCA na acharu echinde nke and then bono moibori ari ginke bali boarding school ntu abaruerete basari ya 5,000 shillings arafu echinde na ende mbanyore kurwa somo MCA arafu echinde moibori aru ne echinde echigo tumune serikali bali chi tertiary colleges ne chi university bonsi etu ababegetamo etokuruchi basari ya 7,000 shillings asa abana bakorete secondary bali chi college
chinga kiecho boigo ni gaborire abana gokoromukia ase chiskuru na boigo kuboria abaiboli kaba maiso asa abana babo
abana babachire rusa egento tokubasaba abana batwara masikani abana besike naenda abana bamanye na masomo tali ekere bali school gyoka abana banyare kogendera gusoma nonye barenga egento kia muhimu gaki mubasa gweso ya samarwa mubasa gweso kwa madawa ya kulevya na pia tujaribu tuwache maneno ya hii maneno ya watoto kupata mimba kabla wamalize shule. Kwa hivyo nawaomba tafadhali muesike elindo mwana ira ne skuru second term kale burungi abana ambao wasiende kwa madawa ya kulevya, mambo ya kukunywa pombe na hii mambo ambayo inaweza leta early pregnancy.
Ginko ripoteria egetaseni kia onambe ya mokia Ndizi TV kurwa sebunge ya Kitutu Chache South yutuke meye county ya Kisii eritaria nendipon asanya
Bemar mariki oito dipona sanya to tigarete ase sekta ye chisemi boigo omoyega bogo chengera litukolie chisemi nigo nyara kobo kwene kwa se skuru area ya Kari DB unyara kobo gukoragwa muno mwarakia omonene bwe skuru yo Abed Maseno oyiboigo onyara kobo gakogokera na guchengera amachibwa maya yanyara kobo gakwene kigwase amatemo manene kerasikia gatano na gatatu mwako onyara kobo gwetanga gutomonye muriki oito Mildred Momanye
Chinga kibono chiskuru chia sekre aso motimoko bwerusa yo mutinyo yiga bono ni go chiskuru chigendete gukora umuyigabo gwakera aboroki bali bakora bya asamatema amane yo mwaka oeta aso kuba ebyegwa bunenchere ya moyo kubamenta omukya asamasomabo nase skuru yo boroso ya Kari primary yere ya serikali asebono omuyigo yo okolekana gukoragwa no mwalimu omonebwe skuru yo Abed Maseno aso guchengera amachibu amayeyo mwaka oeta asebabwate emini ya 316 nonyana bonigo akira bali bonsi babo bwate siringambya.
We are here today to celebrate a good result of last year that we managed to record. We had a mean of 316 despite the fact that we had the highest number in the sub-county, that is 265 candidates. I really want to thank those people who worked behind us, the board that supported us, the parents who were very positive, the parents who provided whatever was required of them. I really want to thank the parents who have sponsored and supported us in this program that we are having today. As we celebrate, we also want to appreciate our leadership. We want to appreciate our Member of Parliament, Honorable Zaid Janda, who has given us 2 classrooms.
Ni gobono batebire egati yemechando elibabwate ase batebire okugani kwabo nonyanabo ni goba mwakera omobunge bwenseme Yozahil Janda ngambu ya asokobasira asensemo ya magacho.
And we want to say that as much as we have gotten the 2, we won't mind if we got more because our population is big. And today, part of the agenda that we were having in this function is to talk about a school bus. We feel like it has come to a time when we need a school bus because our population has grown big and we need to have learners. Because we are attracting learners from as far as Nyabisabo and very far places, Kiogoro, Kemera and such like. So that's what we want to pray for, that if we could get any benefactors who could come in and support us.
The challenge is nyingi na magania mange matine linga tara nyoro bokonyi kurwase ne bana serikali netagete obokonyo wanene so igoto sabanga ase skuru enega neti ebiras tebugati basi sengenja bana bara bange ona karaba kuro skuru ebago tuere bago strain abange bakorwale abane ko bari kumbu birongo Kemera so mbaga neti obokonyo bro wanene anere bale konyore bas abeko bakonya sengenjo kuturabelia se bale safe baikera chinga chiabo bia
omoroberio OCBC nigo ororekanire gokoria buya korengano moteneri bwe skuru eyo ase asaba aboroki gwago chakoyo bwatera koboko enga kibale ase rusana kuganya aboroki gwabo kwebwata buya.
CBC is a good program, but we are yet facing a few challenges, but we are trying. Like our school, we really came together and we said these are our children. So despite the fact that we have so many learners, we came in to support the learners and we are teaching the learners, and I can confirm that actually we are now teaching the learners. We are trying our best. As students go for holidays, please let them remember that it's only a small stint of a few days at home, but they'll need life when they'll come back. So we ask them to behave well, and as they go home, they handle themselves carefully, so because life is still on. It's not the end of life.
Kuripotelia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, eletaliane Mildred Momanye.
Byamono muliki oito Mildred Momanya soroboti rwa senchire bo ikirano mwancho mo ligire tonyara ko bato ko ligire gati ali nyare ko bakolekana isko Yorogongo rwa Gusii nigo litukolia lero omugabano bwe county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza anyara koba gagosoa ase kiama kelia kia UDA no moroberio buko mwaligania se kiame kyo nyara koba kolekana se county ya Meru inyoranga nigo kawira mwangaza nyata koba ga kobwekero kyo gavana asobo choli umwaka w'ikirubiri na mirongo ibiri na ibiri gwetera asensemelia ya independent ga gukwana mune chinyomba cyo buralia nigo kawira tebire anyare koba ga kwirige tambukiro ikia sokwanekia muno nyare koba ga kobwatania aigesa ku kiaba Meru nabo igo gwikirania emerobelio a yamagendro gwetera century kubwatera na mune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
Kwa muda ambao nimekuwa katika uongozi, nimeshaguliwa 2017 Woman Representative Meru kama independent person, sikuwa na chama. 2022 pia nikaingia uwanjani, I was partiless, na Mungu akanipatia nafasi ya uongozi nikiwa governor independent. Na watu wamekuwa wakiniuliza sana, governor says, mama 2027 tunaelekea wapi? 2027 tupatie sign. Sasa siku ya leo nimekuja kuambia Wameru ya kwamba sign ndio hiyo. Sign ndio hiyo. Chama ni UDA. Na nikaleta marafiki wangu na kuna wengi sana ambao wamebaki Meru. This is the party where women belong. Na party ambaye inajali kina mama. Kwa hivyo kama mama najisikia niko nyumbani and I really want to thank God for that. Kwa marafiki wetu ambao wako nyumbani, MCS ambao hawajafika siku ya leo, especially wale wa UDA, mimi kama mama kiongozi nataka kusema ya kwamba naomba
gati ya barai ya banyarako gwikirana se omoyega oyono morikyo monarwe kiamagia UDA Cleophas Malala uyiboigo onyarako bakogokera egetambukiro kia ye mwangaza asanyarako bakuri iranga yu kiame kionge chikoba geko ene kinga kenyarako bageko batana monere nabo kole tobo toere rugochia ase county ya Meru ya sobwango igahi nyarako bageko tuara chibura buru no kongusana na wa kisiasa.
We have a lot of confidence with our members of county assembly. We want to ask them to embrace the entry of the governor and they should work together as a team. That is the aspiration of our party leader. Our party leader wants a united Meru. Our party leader wants a solid Meru county government. We are stretching an olive branch to the members of the county assembly in Meru County. As a party, we shall retreat and find a reconciliatory mode.
Togos kamotweni gobone bunge ya seneti ali keireli uko ekiombekeli kurwania obokurumigia AECC nabo igokeli ya DCI ili gochaka obotukiwo obutumeki obobe bweni bogose kibesa imie county ya Nairobi bagokwana magega yogutware kamiti igoro yobutumeki bwekibesa bwe seneti ya anyara ko bagwikirana umugavana bwe county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigo aba senator abanyara ko bakwenekia buna kibesa kinyinge ne ase county ya Nairobi niko chanyare ko bachigo tumeka ase chitaro chiaba msego chiase Chinsa chesiko engana ya nyare ko bagikorania maiga emerobelio ya magendro no nyana boko iranilia gatia mabolia niko mo governor Johnson Sakaja nyare ko bagakwene kiabuna abisiaye ne chikoba boigo gego chakobo tukena kwene kinga ya nyare ko bagego sieka emewende yonsi ya nyare ko bagego ene kiabuna chibesa chanyare ko bachigo tumeka ase nchireli tabwenerati.
The money which was supposed to be used to set up rehabilitation centers was used to pay for MCS to travel abroad. Sherehe. They went to Turkey, January 2022, and I'm sure this gentleman and this lady have been in that fund forever. They went to Turkey, and the purpose of their trip to Turkey, and I've been looking at the act, it has nothing to do with these trips.
It's really unfortunate that the current governors, imagine you have to carry the other your colleagues' burden. Unabeba msalaba ya yule mtu we mwenye hakuwa. It's really unfortunate.
I'll protect you if you're being victimized. I'll protect you if you're being unfairly targeted. But if you've done the wrong thing, and all my officers in Nairobi County know, I would never protect that. I'm happy we have officers who had been there before. Of course, I made administrative changes when I got in. They're still in the county, but not necessarily in those specific positions. The current director of the liquor board is Rhoda, who is behind me. Husband was there before, and he has been in Nairobi County for many years, since I was 3 years old. He has been in Nairobi County. So his wealth of experience also is not something you negate. And you see, when you have such officers telling you really what happened, behind the cameras, behind sessions of, of such interrogation, you get a lot of wisdom, Chair. And they tell you many things. And sometimes you're caught in between sympathizing with them or them being held to account, and that's when you let the law.
Tukuska motweni gobono obotenani bobomo bwechi kanisa imense ya Kenya, National Council of Churches of Kenya, banyarako bakoralia na kubagania aba waziri batatu abubale ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza, banyarako babagwetigie mirimo korengana nekeria bagoteba nigo bataranyarako babagwikirania emerobere ya botambe asobotenani bwechi wizara cyabo bagokwana amone nyomba cyoboralia nigo bamwatora Suzana kumincha koba gati ya waziri habanya bataranyara koba gwikirania emeroberi yabo yamagendra seboigo bataranyara koba gukora umuchando bumugiro gosebwa bagiro bwa abanyagitari ayogendrete gati ya waziri abuboigo no ria bobo sombi kipchumba murkomen naboigo oria bobolemi mithika kirinturi aseboigo batanga linturi ni gataranyara koba gwikirania na gukora umuchando bokoni wakubo yo bolibo tancheri mense ya Kenya.
I was the Minister of Health. This time, either if one person died in some countries because of there's something wrong, either she fixes or steps out. And accidents are on our roads because of corruption. The rate of accidents in Kenya can be measured with the rate of corruption in this country. Mbolea ilitoka, ilipeanwa with the systems that we're supposed to be doing. They have the accountability. They have who are the storekeepers. They have the lorries that transport it. The Minister of Agriculture should not come and tell us ilikuwa.
Mwanchomo ligereliana mangetwa ko ligereletia semesa ya ito ya Amayia Chinsa bunechikolenda sengenje chinga kinebiro no toko yakera omo Somali asenchera yobo ikera nungeli bageli ko kwakira ngambiamno asokone kingano gento ko bogosanga emerobeli ya ito ko rubwa kete ko ikera chinga kibune chinyora boigo emerobeli ito botambe nigigo chera chinse merongo ebere na inyama tukatano na beriye wiki wetera semitanda ito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital wetera YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo wetera se website ya www.ndizitv.net mbiamona boiga sabariki baito bamangana Amayia bagere to ko bakwenekia ngabanyale ko baba ko ya tukasenchira yobo ikeranwa sekerenga gyo kwenekia bunayo mwanchomo ligeria kwanyale ko bago kwemanya balito bwaterana barabo kwenekia buna chibi chamulero gichago chera senchira yobo ikeraniga koro kwa Petra mokera chinga kilide moseboigo nyara ko bakwenekia buna go chere bwetera somono bwebi manyere literana koro kwa Josephat Amisi nako ganeiri uboligererio bya bwemero bule ko bwatia Imeya Ndizi TV.